Mango custard is everybody's favorite during summers. So in today's video, I'll be sharing few tips and tricks on how to make smooth and creamy custard. So watch the video till the end without skipping in between. So here I have taken about 500 ml of full cream milk, which gives a smooth and creamy texture to the custard. Now pour the milk into a flat bottom pan. Before turning on the stove, take about 4 tablespoons of milk into a small bowl. We'll be using this to prepare a custard mixture. So here I am using mango flavored custard powder for the extra mango flavor. If you do not have mango flavored custard powder at home, use the regular custard powder and a little bit of mango essence to get that extra mango flavor. So take about 2 tablespoons of custard powder and mix well, and make sure that there are no lumps in the mixture. Now put this aside and bring the remaining milk to boil. Keep stirring in between so that the milk doesn't stick to the bottom of the pan, as we have taken full cream milk here. Now once the milk comes to a boil, add about 4 tablespoons of sugar and keep stirring it continuously, or else the sugar will tend to caramelize at the bottom of the pan. Now let the milk come to boil once again, and this would take about 2 to 3 minutes on medium heat. The milk has come to boil and also the sugar has dissolved completely. Now let's add the prepared custard mixture to the milk. Keep stirring continuously to make sure that there are no lumps in the mixture, and this would take about 3 minutes on low heat for the milk to thicken. As you keep on stirring, you'll notice that the milk has started to thicken. It's been 3 minutes, the milk started thickening. Now let's check for the consistency. The consistency should always be such that it should be able to coat the back of the spatula. Now turn off the stove and let this custard mixture cool down completely before we add our mango pulp to this. Now for the mango pulp, here I have taken 2 mangoes. These are of Kesar variety, which are known for its saffron colored pulp, great aroma and sweet taste. I have extracted the pulp from these 2 mangoes and taken it into a bowl. Now tip number 1 is to always blend and use the pulp to prepare the custard. So I have added the mango pulp to a blender jar and made a smooth paste of it. Now we'll measure about 1 cup of this mango pulp to add to our prepared custard mixture. So from the 2 mangoes I have taken, I almost got 1 cup of mango pulp. The custard mixture which we have prepared has cooled down completely. Now pour this custard mixture into a separate bowl and add the 1 cup of prepared fresh mango pulp. Start mixing the custard mixture and the mango pulp gently with the spatula. After mixing with the spatula, now you see small lumps in the mixture. Now we need to blend these small lumps as well. So for this purpose, take help of a whisk and start whisking it for a while. So the tip number 2 is whisking it vigorously for a minute or so that the mix turns creamy and smoother. It's been a minute, so now see how beautiful the mixture looks. Now here I am adding about 1/3 cup of freshly chopped mango pieces to the custard mixture. Mix everything well and put this in refrigerator for about 30 minutes because custard always tastes better when served chilled. It's been 30 minutes and it's time to serve our chilled custard. Here I am showing 2 serving options for this mango custard. First, pour custard equally into 2 bowls. In first bowl, garnish with fresh mango pieces and pistachios, and in the second bowl, add pomegranate seeds, freshly chopped banana and apple. If you like this video, do check the other videos on my channel as well, and don't forget to subscribe for more such videos. Enjoy and subscribe for more.